na me church obiara bi misa so obiara te sana me gidi so obo ade na da mo bia ho ye we aye mo amoso mfo na na jam FIFA court abusua ene ye da sorry ya ye se kan Ofori-Atta former finance minister ya che no adanya ya se ya che no America concerning visa nsensem bi ne passport won nsensem ntino ya che kan Ofori-Atta detaining no enti as I'm talking to you now me no wo kata sesi ayi kan Ofori-Atta elder cells den wa America concerning ne visa won sensem ne passport won sensem ne ade bi enti abusua me pese me chere ho na me pese me ka asem bia ama obi ate no mom yenko tie nsema TV3 for eka anase kwanya efa so a ye chike no Ofori-Atta ana de siye potin ema ye chike no Ofori-Atta no yenko TV3 ne yenko tie nsema TV3 for efre American embassy nsema omuka ana and then at the same time omufre yewra ke no Ofori-Atta ne lawyers no nsema omuka fa ni detain na ya detain no ekwan nsem omuka fa ho abusua mom yenko tie TV3 for nsem no na ye ko tie ba na de yenso ye wo no na yenso aka kire ke no Ofori-Atta ne yewra kusia jaben abusua mom yenko tie mra.
Just coming through, breaking news right now, and this is with regards to Kenneth Nanaya Okonkwo Ofori-Atta, the former finance minister of the Republic of Ghana. And Mr. Kujo, we're talking about oral, and this news has just hit us right now. And we're going to put a statement from his lawyers on the screen. That is Menka Premo Osebonsu, Bruce, Kathleen, and partners. They say the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, as of yesterday, detained the former Minister for Finance, Kenneth Ofori-Atta, regarding the status of his current stay in the United States. His U.S. legal team is in contact with the Immigration and Customs Enforcement and expects the matter to be resolved expeditiously. Mr. Ofori-Atta has a pending petition for adjustment of status, which authorizes a person to stay in the United States legally past the period of validity of their visa. Under U.S. law, a change of status by this method is common. The public is therefore advised to note that Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, as a law-abiding person, is fully cooperating with the Immigration and Customs Enforcement to have his issue resolved. And this is coming from his lawyers in Ghana. So I'm just going to go through it. This is a statement we got officially from his lawyers communicating what has happened regarding his stay in the United States. So the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, as of yesterday, they have detained the former Minister for Finance, Kenneth Ofori-Atta, regarding the status of his current stay in the United States. His U.S. legal team is in contact with the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, and they expect the matter to be resolved expeditiously. Kenneth Ofori-Atta has a pending petition for adjustment of status, which authorizes a person to stay in the U.S. legally past the period of validity of their visa. Under U.S. law, a change of status by this method is common. The public is therefore advised to note that Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta, as a law-abiding person, is fully cooperating with the ICE, that's the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, to have this issue resolved. So this is the latest coming through, the breaking news right now here on Ghana Tonight.
For TV3 for catching your quiet equity, the across to America. And as I'm talking to you now, your papa Ken Ofori-Atta, I am Hutin Trinity, our same Ghana for Pa Yan Kwashapo, on see Ghana, Nana, one see Ghana, China Maya, Yoko Fako, Achena, Bisabis, and say Ghana Zika, well, we are Ghana, Boa Ghana Cano, Massa. Bra na be chirechiremu wato o man na machinano wo na wa hye UK wo hye UK na UK at visa ho sensem na no dwane ko hye America. Nti Ebra Ken Ofori-Atta he's more than an armed robber. Why criminal to a set. Now me adabio akofo do busuafo nyina, they are all criminals. When they are all criminals. They are all criminals. No say Yewra Ken Ofori-Atta ya say our finance minister. 1969 1970 ne papa na ye finance minister ewo Ghana ena Akufo-Addo papa president na nkrofo we bo Ghana ka to sense duru ba bi no na e was a champion sorry eka se da bi enough is enough na inflation aduane bo ntimi nto se Akufo-Addo betena sa ne ntimi nto aduane ne papa time the same thing na nsuo ntimi nya nsuo no Akufo-Addo papa time the same thing ena ma champion mu nyina sorry eka se no ye ntena se e ma abusuakuo bi akyem mafias bi emfa Ghana no mum ana omo sorry gina ye na Ken Ofori-Atta papa odwane ti se de Ken Ofori-Atta adwane ya o ni papa sa na odwane ye Akufo-Addo papa the same thing omo nyina adwane ye what you say ana Ken Ofori-Atta adwane akosha America sa America na o hye no kra na kululu ye gina nso enim say ye Donald Trump second come ya obayin o say obi biara wa ba America wa fa kwampa so wodi kala bule frakadam dream proye kan se Ken Ofori-Atta no omo be che omo to ombe di tenu wi ano omo di porto nti ne me pese yesere na se ani ye mpe kululu bia because de yate eni ne ye tete no mframa ne ye se ne lawyers ye nwadwuma ya se kwan bi obefo so na visa ne ho nsensem ne passport ho nsensem bibia be ye accurate no omo pesa kwan no so afa enti me na jamfidi anka de me meka ne se yewra Ken Ofori-Atta wa bon yewra kusie jaben special prosecutor wa bon wa wo hu ne wonya no office wo no nka special prosecutor this is the opportunity nka kwanya kesie ne to be gina so ntempa na frɛ America embassy afrɛ America for them nipa na modi teni no okɔ America o yase immigration officers ne custom officers na kom ho bo no ma kwia ne se nwia na masa beda oda so na eda no baby a yede Ken Ofori-Atta akɔhye no ne bed oda so no one say bed we ko secondary schools ne universities na ya yede so school mu no eno bi so na yewra Ken Ofori-Atta eden eda e prison nti ya che no we yede teni no oda aban kukum den na ma ne man boy sem na no nti we na MPP for what am do to mo for say mo leaders no they are corrupt mo leaders no they are not truthful sa sem we me kwan a okatacha free fa beba be ka no sa sem we me so okatacha free fa beba be ka bia se mo be ka ya enene 3 days oh and then 3 days and I yewra Kevin Taylor ebe ka kire Ghana for say mo America na especially MPP for na maya mo adwen say mo no Kevin Taylor be twa yam no se mo hwe ya obema ya deport mo mako because obehya se yam ho adwuma na ono no wanyo obi a one no kontokwa udi nkunumo ono no ye ne nko endefeat no na obekire mo mako ene na ahya ase no ene na ahya ase amfiri obi a se Ken Ofori-Atta would see nim nyoma to wa ben wa ko school wa be ya finance minister sa na for jerem kwa na yewra Ken Ofori-Atta de nam nti de si amena wo ka se na woda air condition mu fulu nyanya wo chele no yewra Ken Ofori-Atta former finance minister odane bi ne ho America o ya chena ma odane bi ho nti mi bi se mo MPP for na mo ya se NDC aban na etata Ken Ofori-Atta no na America on so NDC aban na etata no ho ana America ho NDC aban na etata no yewra Ken Ofori-Atta dan bi ne ho America sisi a ya kye no eye NDC aban na akye na eye na man boy sem na wudi sem eye no ma won sem fata enti yewra kusia jaben special prosecutor ye srew ye dun kotodwe ne kotosre power chaw se fasa kwanya we so ya kye yewra Ken Ofori-Atta ahyem na je se ogene ho anje no fasa kwanya we so ka kire America for sem ye si a Ken Ofori-Atta mu nya ne den ento mo fa to cargo plane a ede nneoma goose na eba no broni wa wu foot ne TV ne hwan eba no o mo to no ntwirim na mo fa ne mre Ghana for no mo de no ba ye na yoko for ne si adufo so no mu se kua na ye de na kokko ya bisa ne sensensensem mi na mamo ntrase because ntetia ne de ye nya ne ye se na lawyer for gina mu den se o me benya akwanya na yama ne bail na aven visa won sensem no mbe ya ma no masa every sin is a sin. Everything is a sin. Corruption be a corruption enimu ketwa ne enimu panyini. The man is an armed robber. The man is a criminal. Yewra Ken Ofori-Atta is totally criminal. Ntene yere ne mapa, how will you feel about your father? Oba Ghana hey, okwa America hey, baby onambia hey. That tells you say yewra Ken Ofori-Atta no onyo no kwa for your man boyfriend ntene what say yede ne ba Ghana ne detaining no. Nti abusia for as we are talking now, you see adenya Ghana ban na achi yewra Ken Ofori-Atta o. Na mum eye America ban abusia we ya mo amso for na Nigerian FIFA court Aha is Joe Fact Media. Aha Joe Fact Media. Subscribe, like it, share. Now for the notification bell now on phone. Support to take part. Said by any update. We are gonna be the first person to have it. Abusia Makramo.
Welcome to Joe Fact Media. Hear it loud and clear. Breaking news. Truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top.